To use the Santander mortgage application, start by visiting the Santander website and navigating to the mortgage section. Here, you can find information about the different types of mortgages they offer, including fixed rate and tracker mortgages. Before applying, it is essential to check if you are eligible for a mortgage with Santander. You can use their online mortgage calculator to get an idea of how much you can borrow and what your monthly payments will be. To apply for a mortgage, click on the Apply Now button and fill out the online application form. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your income, expenses, and credit history. Once you have submitted your application, Santander will review it and may request additional documentation, such as pay slips and bank statements. They will also perform a credit check to assess your creditworthiness. If your application is approved, Santander will provide you with a mortgage offer, which will outline the terms and conditions of your mortgage, including the interest rate, repayment term, and monthly payments. It is crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions of your mortgage offer before accepting it. You should also consider seeking advice from a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of the application process. Throughout the application process, you can track the progress of your application online or by contacting Santander directly. They also offer a range of tools and resources to help you manage your mortgage, including an online account manager and a mobile app. By following these steps and using the resources available, you can successfully apply for a mortgage with Santander and take the first step towards owning your dream home. Remember to always carefully review and understand the terms and conditions of your mortgage before accepting it, and seek advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the application process.